Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong 6-6 love reading. Meaning, kukuha ko ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main reading. So, yung main energy ninyo. And then, 6 cards from this deck. That would be the supporting details or yung supporting energy ng reading ninyo. At para ito sa lahat ng Sagittarius. Okay? Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Sagittarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support. So, thank you so much. Sana patuloy niyong suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. And comment lang sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading na to. At sa mga bago, please do support my channel by liking this video as well. At syempre, by subscribing to my channel. Sana mag-grow palalo ang aking channel para mas marami pa akong magawang love readings para sa inyo. Para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Kaya subscribe na. Ayan. Okay, kaya 6 din kasi sa numerology ang 6 ay ang nurturing energy or like motherly energy, ang number 6, which is what we should also manifest with our love and connection. Okay, so we'll get the 6th card as well. First card, the Tower agad. Let's see. Second card, Knight of Swords. And Ten of Cups. Okay. Five of Pentacles. The Moon. And Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Then, bunot tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. And as I always remind everyone, what I do here is a general and collective love reading. So it may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay? So, depende sa matapong energy. Kaya kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, panoorin niyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal and private love reading dahil mas naka-align yun at naka-tune yun sa energy ninyo. Okay? Right. Sige. So, the Tower na naman. Grabe. Talagang di-double confirm niya yung Tower. Okay. Okay, Three of Swords. Alright. Five of Swords. Okay. Ace of Coins. Nine of Swords. Okay. And Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay. Sige. Alright, so the main energy or yung top cards. So started with the Tarot, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Moon, then Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Tapos sa baba, the Tower again. So, what I see here is ito yung detalye ba't nagkaroon ng Tower moment. Okay. So the Tower, Three of Swords, Five of Swords, ang daming sad moments and negative energies nung cause nung Tower moment ninyo. So may Ace of Coins, Knight of Swords, and Ace of Cups. Okay, so Sagittarius, you might be dealing with an Aries. Okay. And with a Pisces. Okay. So doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung Moon, Venus, and rising placements nila. Baka Aries and Pisces din sila sa mga placement na yun. Okay, so nagkaroon ng Tower moment between you and your person. Okay? Alright. So, itong Tower moment with you and your person, there was a collapse sa foundation ng relationship ninyo. Okay? At first, it was really good. Okay? And tapos biglang, ang daming, biglang nagbago ang lahat. And hindi siya yung gradual na pagbabago na parang dahan-dahang nawala yung love, dahan-dahang nagbago yung feelings, hindi drastic siya, na parang hindi mo rin na-expect yung feeling mo na blindside ka. And kasi here with the Knight of Swords, nangyari siya because yung person mo rin kasi parang very impulsive siya. Ginawa niya yun without actually thinking. Okay? And yung detalye nun dito sa baba. So, yung kaya nagkaroon ng chaotic result. Ayun. Nagkaroon ng loss when it comes to the relationship. Alam mo yun, yung kasi Five of Pentacles is a card of like poverty. Parang biglang nawala nga. Yung nagkaroon ng detachment, not just physically but emotionally, yung person ninyo sa inyo. And lalo na kasi here, lalo na dun sa idea of a long-term relationship with the Ten of Cups here, yung person ninyo biglang all of a sudden nawala yung interest niya dun sa inyo, sa commitment, dun sa love, yung idea of living happily ever after. Ayun, at marami siyang biglang sinisikreto, or marami siyang biglang secrets na of course ayaw niyang ipaalam ninyo, pero nalaman niyo siya. Okay? And yun yung naging reason for the Tower moment here. So, nagkaroon na detachment yung person ninyo, nawala na siya ng amor, and bigla-biglaan pa siya nangyari. And it's because of a secret na nalaman ninyo. Okay? And with the Seven of Pentacles here, yun, nagkaroon ng re-evaluation. Okay? So, yung re-evaluation na yun, naging, yun, dahil nagkaroon kayo ng parang, ikaw mismo, parang tinignan mo, wala, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko rin sa relasyon? So, and yung cause nung Tower moment, again, there's a secret na na-reveal, okay? Because Tower also moment is a card of revelation. So that secret was revealed to you and na nag-lead to re-evaluation din. Ano bang nangyayari sa relasyon. And dito sa minor or supporting details, so the Tower de Noble confirm lang nga niya that there was a collapse in the relationship dynamics. Yung foundation ninyo biglang nawala, nagbago at nang bigla-bigla dahil your person was involved in a third-party situation with the Three of Swords here. Some more, nagkaroon din ng five of Swords. And you finding it out, of course, it was painful. Yun yung naging main conflict nung relationship. Five of Swords is a card of conflict and red flags. So, of course, red flag yun. Cheating is a red flag. And yung person ninyo tried to explain himself or herself and try to have another chance with you. Pero with the Nine of Swords here, hindi na. It was traumatic. So, I guess itong incident na to sobrang, dahil nga hindi nyo siya ina-expect. Or kahit ina-expect nyo siya, masakit pa rin, di ba? Sino bang may gusto na, na lokohin? So, pero kasi ito, parang, ang binigay niya kasing impression sa inyo is, hindi niya gagawin. So, mas masakit, di ba? Parang, iba siya kapag alam niyo yung tao niyo na may tendencies na man-cheat. Di ba? Pero ito hindi, na parang it gave you an image na hindi niya gagawin. Tapos bigla niya ginawa. So, you were blindsided nga as I mentioned earlier. So, it was traumatic. Sobrang traumatic sa inyo. It caused you so much anxiety and stress. And despite the fact na mahal niyo yung person, okay, with the Ace of Cups here, yung love na yun has shifted din to something na parang na-regret nyo na minahal nyo yung person na yun. Okay? So, ayun. Sana nakatulong itong reading na to to enlighten you more bakit at ano yung mga kaganapan or if nag-resonate to sa inyo, I really feel bad for you, but it's time to move on. Again, also just to remind everyone that don't rely too much on tarot readings, lalo na it's a general and collective love reading. Pero I hope nakatulong to sa inyo to guide you on yung mga next steps na kailangan yung gawin. Pero you always have free will. Hawak nyo pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. Okay? Use tarot readings with discernment. Okay? And ayun, I hope everything will go well after this Tower moment. Okay? Everything will be fine, manifest love and light in your life. And I'll sending you the same manifestation of love and light. Okay? Kita-kits na lang sa susunod na love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Ingat!